The ocean is making sounds we can't explain. Thousands of signals from the deep, some biological, some geological, some unknown. Since 1991, NOAA has been listening to the ocean. Hydrophones, thousands of meters deep, recording everything. And they keep hearing things they can't identify. 1997, the Bloop, a sound so loud it was heard 3,000 miles away. Louder than any whale, louder than anything we've ever recorded. Theories exploded. A giant sea creature? An underwater volcano? Ice calving in Antarctica? No one knew. 2012. Scientists solved it. The Bloop was ice, a massive Antarctic ice shelf cracking and fracturing. Not a creature, but still amazing. March 1999. Julia, a 15-second sound near Antarctica, probably ice or seafloor movement, but we're not entirely sure. Upsweep, a sound that's been playing continuously since 1991, probably underwater volcanoes, but it's still going right now. Train, March 1997, sounded like a distant train rumbling underwater, probably ice moving, but the exact source unknown. Whistle, an ascending frequency that sounds almost musical. A whale? Ice? Seafloor resonance. We recorded it clearly, but we don't know what made the sound. Slow down, a frequency dropping gradually over 7 minutes. Probably a massive iceberg cracking or rolling, but 7 minutes? That's a long, slow disaster underwater. For 35 years, a whale has called out at 52 Hz, a frequency no other whale uses. It swims alone, unheard. We've never seen it. Bioduck, a mechanical quacking heard for 50 years. Submarines detected it. Scientists were baffled. Finally solved in 2014. Antarctic minke whales. It took 50 years to see what was making the sound. 2012. James Cameron dove to the deepest point on Earth and recorded sounds down there. Some biological, some geological, some we don't know. Right now, today, NOAA is hearing sounds they can't identify. Thousands recorded, thousands unexplained. The ocean is still talking. We're still learning to listen. Why can't we identify these sounds? The ocean is vast, dark, and we've barely explored it. We can hear for thousands of miles, but we can see only meters. The ocean hides its secrets well. The Milky Sea, where the entire ocean glows blue for thousands of miles. Sailors thought it was myth. Satellites proved it's real. In the deep sea, 90% of creatures produce light. Bioluminescence, the most common form of communication on Earth. The giant squid, up to 13 meters long, largest eyes in nature, inspired kraken legends, rarely seen alive. The ocean hides massive animals. The colossal squid, even larger, heavier, armed with hooks, the largest invertebrate on Earth. Never filmed alive, too deep, too rare. The bear-eye fish, a transparent head with eyes inside its skull that rotate forward to see. Evolution's bizarre solution to deep-sea life.
Female anglerfish use bioluminescent lures. Males are tiny. They fuse to females for life, becoming permanent sperm sources. Teeth like nightmares. The vampire squid turns inside out as defense, flashing bioluminescent lights. A living fossil, unchanged for millions of years.
The gulper eel, a mouth larger than its body, swallows prey whole. Deep abyss dweller with a bioluminescent tail lure. The frilled shark, 300 razor teeth, virtually unchanged for 80 million years. A living fossil lurking in the deep. The goblin shark, jaws that expand from its face, nail-like teeth, translucent pink skin, a deep-sea ambush predator from prehistory. Deep-sea gigantism, isopods 50 times larger than surface cousins, squid 40 times bigger. Why is everything huge down there? Science still doesn't fully understand. Hydrothermal vents, superheated water at 400 degrees, life thriving without sunlight. Chemosynthesis, not photosynthesis. Life doesn't need the sun. New species discovered monthly. We're still finding what's down there. 2 million species remain unknown in the ocean's depths. Underwater volcanoes. 75% of volcanic activity is submarine. 1 million estimated, creating mysterious sounds, most unexplored. Ocean sounds reveal everything. Climate change, earthquake warnings, species populations, ecosystem health. Understanding the ocean's voice means understanding the ocean itself. Underwater earthquakes, magnitude 9.0 and higher, detected globally by hydrophones. Low-frequency rumbles traveling across entire ocean basins. T-waves, seismic sound waves traveling through the SOFAR channel, detected globally. Earthquake early warning from Ocean Acoustics. Ice acoustics, cracking, calving, rolling, grinding. Multiple sound types from Antarctic ice, tracking climate change through sound. Methane seeps, thousands worldwide, bubbling continuously from the seafloor. Distinctive acoustic signatures, climate monitoring through underwater acoustics. Icebergs, melting, cracking, rolling, colliding. Each iceberg has a unique acoustic signature, tracked by sound across oceans. Whale songs, complex patterns that evolve culturally, changing every year. All males sing the same song. It spreads between populations like music. Dolphins have signature whistles, unique calls like names. They use echolocation to hunt and whistles to communicate. Sophisticated intelligence in sound. Sperm whale codas, click patterns that serve as dialects. Different families have different codes. Possible language structure discovered in 2024. Fish are not silent. 800 species make sounds. Drumming swim bladders, grinding teeth, even breaking wind. Reefs chorus at dawn and dusk. snapping shrimp, 210 decibels, louder than a gunshot, creating bubbles that collapse at 4,700 degrees. Colonies create walls of sound. Unidentified marine mammal calls recorded but never matched to species. New species? New behaviors? The ocean keeps its acoustic secrets. Ocean noise pollution, 10 times louder than 1950. Shipping, sonar, drilling, drowning out biological sounds, affecting marine life worldwide. Military sonar, 235 decibels, powerful enough to kill, linked to mass whale strandings, controversy between defense needs and ocean protection. Listening to climate change, ice loss, ocean warming, species shifts, storm intensity, all revealed through acoustics, sound monitoring the planet's health. We're listening, but not everywhere. Hydrophones cover less than 5% of the ocean floor. What are we missing in the vast, unmonitored depths?
2024. A new sound detected. Unknown source. Repeating pattern. Under investigation. The ocean still surprises us today. Underwater avalanches, turbidity currents flowing at 70 kilometers per hour, carving submarine canyons, explains some mysterious ocean rumbles. Bioduck variants, similar but different from the solved mystery. Multiple species, some remain unidentified. One mystery solved, more emerged. Coral reef soundscapes. Healthy reefs are noisy. Degraded reefs are quiet. Sound monitoring ecosystem health. Acoustic restoration techniques showing promise. Arctic acoustics changing rapidly. Less ice, more ships, new species, new sounds. The Arctic is transforming before our ears. The deep scattering layer, the largest animal migration on Earth. Billions of organisms rising and falling daily, detected by sonar as a false sea floor. The abyssal plain, among Earth's quietest places, but not silent. Even the deepest ocean carries sounds from distant earthquakes and human activity. Autonomous gliders, silent observers monitoring ocean acoustics for months, expanding our listening network without adding noise pollution. AI acoustic analysis, 1,000 times faster than humans. Real-time whale detection, species identification, discovering patterns in ocean sound. Undersea cables as sensors. 1.4 million kilometers of fiber optic cables detecting earthquakes, whales, ocean currents. Every meter a sensor. Mysterious, regular pulses detected worldwide. Clockwork precision, unknown source, not biological, not geological, not human. Investigation ongoing. The ocean as time machine. Sound traveling for days through SOFAR channels. We hear past events in the present. Acoustic memory. Seismic air guns. 260 decibels every 10 seconds for weeks. Oil and gas exploration, creating widespread ocean noise, affecting marine life throughout survey areas. Citizen science. Anyone can listen to live ocean hydrophones online.
Through citizen science, anyone
Contribute
can
to
listen and contribute to
discoveries.
discovery,
Democratizing
ocean monitoring
monitoring.
for a healthier planet.
The future of ocean listening. Global AI-powered networks, real-time monitoring, conservation enforcement, climate tracking. A revolution is beginning. Mysteries solved through science. The Bloop, bioduck, most geological sounds explained. Patience and persistence. Science works. Genuine mysteries remain. 52 Hz whale, unknown pulses, deep trench sounds. 5 to 10% completely unknown. Not supernatural, just unexplored. The ocean is 95% unexplored. Acoustic mysteries are inevitable. Unknown equals opportunity. The ocean is Earth's final frontier. Understanding ocean sounds leads to species protection, climate action, sustainable fishing, human safety, economic benefits, and scientific discovery. Acoustic monitoring is a conservation tool. Solutions exist for noise pollution, quieter ships, speed reduction, acoustic refuges, new technology. Voluntary actions are already working. Hope for a quieter ocean. We're entering a golden age of ocean acoustic understanding. AI, autonomous systems, global networks. The next decade will reveal more than all of history. The 52 Hz whale, still calling in 2024, still alone, still unknown after 35 years. The ocean's greatest ongoing mystery. The ocean is speaking through sound, telling us of life, of change, of mystery, of need, of hope. Are we listening? From fear to understanding, our journey from mysterious terror to scientific appreciation. Wonder deepened by knowledge, not diminished. What you can do: listen to ocean streams, learn about marine acoustics, participate in citizen science, support conservation, reduce noise, speak up for ocean protection. The ocean needs you. The next generation will solve tomorrow's mysteries. Better technology, abundant data, global collaboration. Future ocean scientists, your turn is coming. One ocean. one planet, the only known ocean in the universe, 71% of our only home. Understanding the ocean means understanding Earth. The ocean song continues, billions of years old, still evolving, still surprising us, still teaching us. Listen. Listen to the ocean. Understand its voice. Protect its future. The mysteries continue, and so does our exploration.